Welcome everyone. I'm here to discuss about the new payroll tracker Notion template I have built for tracking and managing payslips. This is for US payslips only, so please keep in mind if you're using it, you should only be using for US payslips because the way it is structured, it handles the taxation rules and all those brackets for US payslips only. All right, let's get on with it. So this template is really easy to understand and very easy to use also. We have total 5 tables here, and you interact with these tables into 3 sections. So first you enter your company information here and your project information here. Then you put your paycheck information like how much you're earning and how much your working hour rate is based on your employment type. If you are a full-time employee, if you are a contractor, the way is different because full-time employees get a package and contractors get a hour rate, right? So I'll show like how to insert those data for different employee types. After you enter your paycheck information here, then you use this payslip table to put your tax information like how much you're paying for federal, for social security, for medicare, how much you're paying. You put those information here, and ultimately all this data you enter, it will be synced in the payroll summary. So here you can see like how much you're earning, what is your gross rate, and how much you're taking home, right? And you can also compare like year to year basis how your payroll is changing basically, right? So I'll take an example to show how to use this. So let's create a hypothetical company 4, right? And create a project here, 5 let's say, right? And let's say you're working in this company and for this project and you're a contractor, right? So after inserting these two data, let's give some icon to make it a bit identifiable, right? Okay, all right. I don't really care how the icon looks, just yeah, it's a placeholder, right? All right, so moving on to the paycheck, you can see there are 3 views here for different years. You can see the all view to see all your paychecks. So now that you have created your company and your project information, then moving on to the paycheck, let's create your paycheck for company 4, right? So to create that, go to this new button here and click on either you are a contractor or a FT, right? If you are a contractor, so put your information here like what is the duration you are looking for. Let's say from December 1st till December 15th, the paycheck is December 1st and December 15th is my paycheck duration, and pay date is on December 15th, and hours I have worked for 80 hours let's say, and rate is let's say $50 per hour, right? And the gross pay comes up to $4,000, right? So I put in my information here. So, and you can just put a number like, okay, this is my 7th payslip, right? All right. Now let's create another project. Let's say I'm a contractor and I'm working for multiple client, right? My company is same, but I'm working for project. Pardon. So yeah, I'm working for company 1, but I'm also working for project let's say 2, right? And there I have worked for let's say December 1st till okay, let's click on the end date so to give the duration till December 15th, right? And the pay rate is let's say $20 per hour, and I have worked for 50 hours, right, in this duration. Okay, I made a mistake here. So the pay duration is a single date, so it's December 15th, and the period is a duration basically. So December 1st till December 15th, right? All right, so let's put the gross information here. So it's like $1,000. All right. Now I have these two payslips here. I forgot to put the number here, so let's put 8. So 7 and 8, these are the two paychecks I have created. After you create this, move on to the payslip, right? Here also the same way, create new payslip, and here by default it is pointing to this 2022 relation table, which is there in the summary table, right? And so to select the paychecks, I have to click on this and select the paycheck from here. So 7 and 6, right? Once you select here, it will be automatically adding those gross pays from these two pay slips and adding it here. Then let's say I want to put the tax information here right now, right? So let's put like I have paid $1,000 for federal social security, let's say $200. For state, I have paid $100, and Medicare, let's say $90, and insurance, let's say I put like $20, $200, right? And I worked in Georgia and lived in Georgia and worked in Pennsylvania, right? So my information is added now, and go to the all tab, and you can see this new payslip has been added. Let's delete this chunk data. Now I will suggest that you put the date here to make it more identifiable, like December 15 2022, right? That's it, and this is another chunk data, so we'll just delete it. All right, once you add this information here, then move on to the summary table. As you can see that it is added, the paycheck here for the 2022 year. So the gross pay increased to $29,000, and the take home also increased based on the relation and the data you have added. And as you add more data, so it will give you the summary, like how much actually percentage you are paying for the federal and all those tax brackets, right? So this way you can manage your paycheck and payslip information with this table, with this template rather, and you can create multiple views here, like for different years you can create different views based on this filter information. So you can see like the filter is for before January 1st 2022 and after December 31st 2020, that is for 2021 year, right? So this way I have been using this template to manage my paycheck and keeping tab like how much I'm paying tax and how much I'll be expecting for the tax refund when I'm filing for tax, right? When the year ends. So yeah, I think that is all I have. So I hope that you use this and find it useful, as I have found it useful. That is all. Thank you so much.